epigenetics, right? I had heard the term before, I kind of loosely knew what it was, but the concept that, this idea of trauma and deep emotions, deep pain, that can be passed down from generation to generation and also potentially has the ability to reprogram our genetic makeup. To me, that was really just fascinating, mind-blowing, and exciting. Looking at it both from a neurological standpoint and then also looking at it, physiologically, and looking at it from, an epigenetic standpoint, all of these different factors as, okay, so this, A, B, and C might be true. Okay, now what? Now what am I going to do with that information? Rather than saying, okay, I'm just victim to this circumstance that I was given. What the practice of yoga and meditation is, right? It's working with the thoughts. It's becoming the witness. It's becoming the witness to the thoughts, right? It's stepping back and it's seeing what's going on in my mind right now, what is present in my emotions right now. Okay, how can I step in and how can I change that, right? And a lot of times you don't even have to make an active decision to change it. Just by becoming this witness to what is true in your mind at the moment, you notice, oh hey, the thoughts just kind of went away, right? And the other piece of that too, I think, is not giving the thoughts so much credit. Another reason, another kind of aspect to look at in ourselves and in our clients and the people that we're working with, in terms of, okay, why is this person experiencing, daily panic attacks or high stress, issues, deep depression? It gives us another kind of lens to look at that, whatever the symptoms are. It gives us another lens to look through, which is wonderful.